Today we are going to speak about Scotland writer, one of them, Robert Bernst. Robert Bernst was born on 25th of January in 1759 in Alloway, Scotland. Do you know his poems?
Yes, I know one of them, which calls My Heart in the Highlands. I choose it because our great Kazakh writer Мұғалім translated this poem. Now let me read it for you. My Heart in the Highlands by Robert Bernst. My heart in the Highlands, my heart is not here. My heart in the Highlands is chasing the deer, chasing the wild deer and following the roe. My heart in the Highlands, wherever I go. Farewell to the Highlands, farewell to the North, the birthplace of valor, the country of wars. Wherever I wander, wherever I rove, the hills of the Highlands, forever I love.
Farewell to the mountains, high covered with snow. Farewell to the stresses and the green valleys below. Farewell to the forests and the wild-hanging woods. Farewell to the forests, loud pouring floods. My heart's in the Highlands, my heart is not here. My heart's in the Highland, it's chasing the deer. It's chasing the deer and following the roe. My heart's in the Highland, wherever I go.